I bet you didn't know how important packing for dress-up nights on cruises is. Ready to set sail on your first cruise adventure? I'm here to make your journey smooth sailing with some top tips. Let's dive right in. First up, let's talk packing. When you're packing for a cruise, less is more. Most staterooms are cozy, so stick to the essentials. Think versatile outfits you can mix and match, and don't forget your swimwear, you'll need it. Pro tip, pack a day bag with your swimsuit and sunscreen. That way you can hit the pool right away while waiting for your luggage. Next, documents. Make sure you have all your travel documents in order: passport, boarding passes, and any visas you might need. I always recommend having both digital and physical copies, and keep them in a waterproof pouch. Trust me, you'll thank me later. Now let's talk money. Most cruises are cashless, so you'll use your cruise card for purchases. However, it's smart to carry a bit of cash for tips and ports of call, and let your bank know you're traveling to avoid any card issues. All right, excursions. Research your ports of call and book excursions in advance. Popular ones can fill up quickly and you don't want to miss out. Whether it's snorkeling in crystal clear waters or exploring historic cities, planning ahead ensures you get the most out of your trip. Let's not forget about staying connected. Cruise ships offer Wi-Fi packages, but they can be pricey. Consider disconnecting and enjoying a digital detox. If you really need to stay connected, look for internet cafes at your ports of call. They're often cheaper than onboard options. Another key tip, stay healthy. Cruise ships have great food, so indulge a bit, but don't forget to balance it with some exercise. Most ships have gyms, jogging tracks, and even group fitness classes. And be sure to stay hydrated, especially if you're soaking up the sun. Speaking of sun, pack sunscreen and use it. The sea breeze can be deceiving, and sunburns are no fun when you're trying to relax. Lastly, embrace the cruise culture. Participate in activities, meet new people, and don't be afraid to try something new. Cruises are all about having fun and enjoying the journey. Remember, you're on vacation, so there you have it, my top tips to get you ready for your cruise. Pack smart, plan ahead, and most importantly, have a blast. Bon voyage, future cruisers. And if you found these tips helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more travel hacks. Safe travels and smooth sailing. Catch you on the next adventure.